Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Unlock Therapy. Today I've got a super useful guide for anyone looking to unlock their iPhone 12, 12 Pro, or 12 Pro Max from any carrier. Whether you want to switch carriers, travel internationally, or just get the full value of your iPhone, let's break down the steps to unlock it quickly and easily. Let's get into it. Step 1. Check if your iPhone is locked. Alright, first things first, let's find out if your iPhone is actually locked. Here's how. Head to Settings, tap on General, and then About. Scroll down to where it says Carrier Lock. If it says No SIM Restrictions, congrats, your iPhone is already unlocked and you're good to go. If it says something else, your iPhone is locked to a specific carrier. Step 2. Contact your carrier. Now, if your phone is locked, the next step is to contact your carrier. But there are a few things you need to check before reaching out. Make sure your iPhone is fully paid off. No more pending payments or contracts. Your iPhone can't be reported as lost or stolen. You may need to have used the carrier for a certain period of time, usually between 60 to 90 days. Once you're all set, give your carrier a call or visit their website to request an unlock. Just keep in mind that it might take them a couple of days to process your request. Step 3. Unlock via carrier. After your carrier approves the unlock, they'll either give you instructions or unlock it remotely. When the process is done, restart your iPhone or just remove and reinsert your SIM card. That's it. Your phone should now be unlocked. Step 4. Restore via iTunes or Finder if needed. If for some reason the unlock doesn't go through, you might need to restore your iPhone. Here's how. On iTunes, for Windows or macOS Mojave and earlier, connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. Select your device and back it up. Click on Restore iPhone. On Finder, for macOS Catalina and later, connect your iPhone to your computer, open Finder, and follow the same steps. Once the restore is complete, your phone should be unlocked and ready to go. Step 5. Third-party unlocking services, optional. Now, I know you've probably seen those third-party services that claim they can unlock your iPhone, but be careful. These can be expensive and risky, and they're not always legit. It's always best to go through your carrier first. It's safer and often free. And that's it. That's how you unlock your iPhone 12, 12 Pro, or 12 Pro Max from any carrier. For more information, you can visit our website, unlocktherapy.net. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you've got any questions or you've been through this process yourself, drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.